everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that's changing everything, AI awareness. If you're not paying attention right now, the next 3 to 5 years could leave you behind. Let's break it down. First off, AI isn't coming, it's here. From ChatGPT writing your emails to AI designing entire businesses, it's everywhere. But here's the kicker, 90% of people are still treating it like a toy. The other 10%, they're building empires. Think about it. The smartphone divided the world in 2007. Email did it in the 90s. AI is doing it now. If you're not AI aware, you're choosing to stay on the slow side of the divide. In the next 3 years, AI followers will lap everyone else. Job security, AI does 40% of repetitive work already. Aware people use it as a superpower. Income gaps. Freelancers using AI tools earn 3x more per hour. Knowledge edge. AI learners compound skills daily while others stall. Don't panic. Here's your 3-step starter plan. Daily 15 minutes, ask AI like me to explain one new tool. Midjourney for visuals, Grok for reasoning, Claude for writing. Build one thing weekly. AI avatar, custom chatbot, automated social posts. Fail fast, learn faster, follow the 1%. Channels like 2-Minute Papers, Wes Roth, or Matthew Berman. Skip TikTok fluff. Pro tip, use free tools first. Pay when you earn from them. AI awareness isn't optional anymore, it's survival. The next few years determine who's thriving versus surviving. Start today, and you'll be the one others ask, how'd you do that? Drop a comment. What's your first AI project? Smash like if you're committing to this. Subscribe for weekly AI breakdowns. See you in the future.